Muoroto-ini wa kugacirithia ugitiri wa bururi, thirikari kuhitukira ministry ya ugitiri wa thiini ni yanereire ati ni gukorwo ikiamukira matharaita ma KIIRIU maria marihuthikaga kugacirithia ugitiri kwa ihinda ria kiumia kimwe giukite. Akiaria hindi ya icera riake kambeini njeru iria iri mwena wa LAMU, Kindiki augite matharaita maya ni meguteithiriria hari kuhurana na ITOI iria ikoretwo igitabania tharikira mwena uyu wa LAMU mahinda kwa mahida.
We have not invested well in terms of equipment, and for a long time our capabilities have not been replenished and they have not been improved. The next 5 years, this administration will spend 37 billion shillings, and already 7 billion shillings has been spent to purchase equipment which has already arrived in the country. The first batch arrived during the December holidays, and the supplier now is putting together, assembling the equipment. Anytime from this week, next week, we'll be commissioning that equipment.
Kindiki uria ningi ucereire gavana wa LAMU Isatimami ni arithiirie aikari a kaunti-ini ati mateta matiganite megie uhaguku wa ugitiri ni megwetherwo kihonia na njira ya thayu na kurumirira watho.
Kile ambayo serikali haitaruhusu ni wananchi ama viongozi kuvunja sheria ama kujizingizia ati kwa sababu kuna matatizo.
Naona ulisi wako ni mzuri sana mpaka majeshi iko hapa serikali yetu wanatulinda sawa.
Asante.
Na mimi nafurahia.
Hata watoto wetu pia wameathirika kwa sababu tulipotupiwa bomu pale tulikuwa na wao pale, tukaja tena tukafamiwa tena na marisasi.
Tungekuwa tumefanya kazi. Lakini sasa kwa ule uoga hujui utainama kwa shamba jamaa kuta wapi. Sasa kumekuwa na hiyo changamoto, hata chakula hakuna.
Maya magithiaga na mbere arumeri ni manyitikanite na mahitia ma gukorwo na nduthuki cia gutabania tharikira ni igoti ria Milimani kuria magumeirwo ni mahitia kenda. Riu magitanywo gutwirwo kiho kiao muthia-ini wa mweri uyu. Mucirithania Zainab Abdul ni augire igoti ni riganire na wira uria warutirwo igoti-ini riri wa ati area ya Hassan na Osman mari ameba a gikundi gia ITOI kia Al-Shabab kuria nake Lydia Nyawira uria wathitangitwo na area ya onekanire na mahitia ma kuhuthira gibandi kia maheni kia mundu ungi urikitie gukua na ari mumemba wa Al-Shabab.
Offense is conspiracy to commit a terrorist act contrary to section 23(2) as read with section 23(4) of the portal. The particulars of the offense are that on or before the 15th of February 2018, at an unknown place and within and outside the Republic of Kenya, jointly with others before court, conspired to carry out a terrorist act inside Kenya by embedding explosives in motor vehicle registration KBM 200B.
Hau kabere munene wa thitango cia muingi andikithitie thitango 16 cigie atatu aya na angi atatu aria mathitangitwo nao. Riu Hassan na Osman megukorwo makihingirwo njera-ini nene ya Kamiti na Kenya wera njera-ini ya atumia ya Lang'ata metereire itua rigie kioho kiao riria rikarekererio tariki 27 mweri uyu. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni Jetagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.